Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram photo bad quality after posting. Alright, let's begin. First, remember that you cannot change photo quality after posting, so always follow these steps before uploading. Start by ensuring the photo you take is high quality. If your phone's camera captures poor images, Instagram will only reflect that. Use your camera app to take clear, well-lit photos. Next, open the Instagram app. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right, then tap the three-line menu in the top right. Go to Settings and Privacy, then scroll down to find Media Quality. Tap on it and enable the option called Upload at Highest Quality. This ensures your photos and videos upload in the best possible quality, even if your network is slow. If you still face issues, try updating your Instagram app. Open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if it's available. Using the latest version can help avoid bugs or compression issues. So that's basically how you can fix Instagram photo bad quality after posting. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.